Hey guys, welcome back to Technologic. It's been so long since I made a video, 10 months. I looked at my other video, it had 3000 views, the one about the always on display. 3000 views, thank you so much for that. And time for my first tech review. So this is my truly wireless earbuds called the ZNT D09-L. And I'm going to do an unboxing and first impressions video. Let's go. So now I'm gonna unbox this. So inside the package we have a warranty card, nice, and this is the box itself. Okay, let's open this. You can see. And these are the earbuds. This is the charging case. It opens up like this, yes. It has magnetic clip-ons, and these are the earbuds themselves. Nice. Let's see what else inside the box. So this is what you get in the box. You get a user manual, some extra ear tips, a charging cable, and the earbuds themselves. So it's time for the first impressions. I have set this up and connected to my phone already. So let's see how fast it connects. So I'm taking out the earbud now. This is power on, and it's connected. Look how fast that is. It's connected. And then let me connect the second one. Okay, connected. It says okay, it's connected. Now let's listen to some music. So these are my first impressions. Firstly, the sound quality is really great. The bass is there, the treble is there, and the high ends are also there. This sound quality is good for average users. I'm impressed by the sound quality. Even though it's only $40, which is like 1/4 the price of AirPods, the sound quality is really great. The latency when watching videos is also very low. Now let's look at the case. The case has a matte rubbery finish which is very nice to touch, and also has very satisfying clicks when you close it. These earbuds have touch control too. This is nice to have for a $40 pair of earbuds. You can tap on either earbud to pause and play songs. You can double tap the left earbud to go to the previous track, and double tap for the right earbud to go to the next track. Single tap to accept a call, tap for 3 seconds to reject a call. So this is something I didn't expect at all. You can tap 4 times on either earbud to open your voice assistant. This means that you can activate Google Assistant on Android devices and Siri on Apple devices. Overall, the ZNT D09Ls are a great deal for the price, and I recommend it. If you want to buy one of these for yourselves, the link is down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be posting more videos soon. See you. Bye.